Una good deal. My IPOB people, I want to ask una one question. The video where they do, na think say na followers I dey look for, or na money I dey take and find. Now they use and find money. I know they use and find money. Now they use and find money. And I can tell you people 100% say now they use and una they build una page every time. I watch you people, but I don't care. Are you people paying me? You where they comment yesterday say, you are following IPO because you want to get view. Are you mad? You dey crazy? You dey pay me for what I dey do? You think say na you are the fair for? I do it for humanity and God. I'm not fighting for you, my dear. If you're inside the IPOB, you shut up. You shut up. I don't give a fuck who you are or who you be. Okay? I do it for humanity. I dey look for real freedom. And I don't call you to come and support me or come and give me money. Or I want to build my page. Have I ever tell you people that I want to build my page? Or enter here, or enter Biafra, or enter this. Are you people mad? You see Biafra to be looking for money. You say you are fighting for freedom. So we not talk again because of say you defend you defend money. Una carry leader. The key Evans the kidnapper una not talk. The key Koso una not protest. The key una not the protest. A own leader. What are you going to tell me? A own leader travel only one travel to Kenya. Only one did there. They carry on. Now say Mona shut up. I don't send una message. I don't send una message. Anything when I talk, it they come to pass. So if you like, you look me. If you like, you don't look me. I know they beg for viewers. I know they build my page. You see this page? I know they build them. I only open page if they block this one. I'll go to the other one. Now why they do them. I don't beg you people to come and watch me or to come and look me. I tell you the way it is. Very simple. If you don't want to hear it, you block your ear, close your face. I tell you the way it is. We are looking for freedom here. When I come out before I join the Kano, I say, let us share the money. More divide and we will get peace. May everybody know where I belong to. It not be like that, and I made the country. Now we want divide, so you don't come to my when I dey support Murphy yesterday. You don't come that una don't defend viewer, una don't na viewer na they use IPOB defend. And I make no my brothers and sisters. If una they watch me, una know say most especially I focus to data and Edo. Now I focus on because I know say just they enjoy. The ethic, the calabar that they enjoy, they are paying their salary. So now only data and Edo they suffer for that outside. If you don't know me, they tell now. That they settle there, they bring them here, they can't go school. And they tell now the truth. If not, like, go and check. That is why the just people, they are just balanced. They don't fight for anything. They don't even fight for freedom. They pay them. Some of them, they are paying them. Many they suffer, we know, but they are paying most of them. That they pay them, they tell now the truth. I know they lie. Okay? That is why they are relaxing. You know, that is why I focus on data and Edo people. They must rise up and do something. They must fight for their mandate. They must take for the glory. If data say that they carry all year, even when they never bomb me, they carry the all year, they carry. You say, me will not talk. We must talk. We not Biafra. But if una say we not be Biafra, it's left for una. Me not the, I know they force so, and I know they beg. The only thing is that let us fight and release our leader. Yes, you think that we release him? Hey, I hear they pray for her, make it day okay. For we anywhere where it day, make it okay, make them no hammer. You see another they talk say they break his leg. They say me will shut up, me will not talk. Okay, we dey fight for Biafra. We want to go to another Nigeria. No, it will not work. My brothers and sisters, most especially you, where they follow me up and down for social media. They support Murphy. They do this. They do. Why I not support Murphy? If na corner, una take go keep our leader for one place. Say una want do presidency. We go support Obaseki. President. We know say it is still the governor. We will remove her for governor. Tell our people say. Deputy governor, may you continue. Or we'll bring Okwonga, or we'll bring the Akwa Ibom. What it be name? I go find name. I know in name, but I forget her. We'll go bring them. We'll select for 3 of them. They'll do presidency. If una not release una the Kano, una not get peace. Una not get peace. Una think say I want come here, come dey lick una nyash. Una do well. Evans the kidnapper, the killer. Nothing happen. Abba Kihari now, they don't carry and run go Dubai. Iko Sonkon, the killer. Nothing happen. Many like that. In Igbo land. Now they kill their people. Same will not talk. Now they kill their people. Their jealousy, heaviness, everything. Come here, come they tell me, say, well, Sophia, you don't use that POP and Biafra. Get viewers. My sisters, if you 2017, 18, I don't do video. Go back, go down to my Facebook, my ordinary Facebook, go there. I don't tell Nigeria government share the money. And my people, they follow me. Even that time, I don't get 1,000 viewers that time. Now, since why they share Biafra, I never get 300 viewers. If not, like, go back to my Facebook, go and check. If not, viewers I defend. Go back when I was shouting. Nigerian government share money. My people were following me on that page, on that Facebook. Go back. Never still change the Facebook. I know they too change the Facebook. Go and follow that Facebook. Go down. I don't get 1,000 viewers, 2,000 viewers. I don't get that. Go there and check by yourself. If not viewers, I they look for. Go there and check. Since why they share Biafra, I don't ever get. Only one day that I get 800 viewers is something that happened. I don't, if not viewers I they look for. When I they shout Nigeria government bring the money, let's share it. My people, they follow me at that time. People were packing. They want to hear more than what I was saying was the truth. Everybody, una go keep una the canoe for one place. With the shout, make the release am. Na bati, or I Murphy as this one, I don't see anything where I support Murphy. You know, say go work. Murphy, Obaseki 2023 election, we know they forbid goats. Wait, sort today. Now why we not Jumeji 2023 election? Either Obaseki or Konga or Akwa Ibom governor. Three of them will choose one. Yes, we'll choose one. Since now all these Igbo governor, since now governorship that they fight for, hey, we go ahead. See, at the time you say we will spoil everywhere. Now no, they understand. Oh, I go spoil everywhere. See, it go happen. Not be this life. By the grace of God, it go happen. We did now. Now this social media, that Sam, he say whether I don't do part for social media. Hey, social media is very powerful now. Still spoil everywhere. Mo go and mark it somewhere. If they don't release our leader, I will do referendum. I go spoil everywhere. That presidency, all of us will go to one. Very simple. We will first come out for Nigeria. Yes, we know how to manipulate our people to fight for what they believe. They be do. If you don't know me, you know. You will the right. Say me the fight followers. Our people are do. We can decide to create a do nation, and all our people go agree. Go and mark it somewhere. You know, guesses. All our people, then we agree to be a do nation. Then we agree. Both the Jaws or both the rivers, there will be a donation. You know, guesses. Send me the 5 viewer. Who viewer help? Una they pay me. I'm the one supporting. I'm the one paying. They carry our leader. Account number, they fly everywhere. All of them, they fight for money, power. So, who no guesses? We are fighting for our poor people to be free. We are not there. We are fighting for them. You people are coming here to write rubbish. Obaseki 2023. We are going to vote for you. Now we go. See, Mona Maka somewhere. We the Edos, We the Edo people. Anything where we want, we the get them. It doesn't matter who you are. We go get them. Except say, we no even care. Say we want to collect that thing. If we want to get something, we they get her. We'll cross us, they get her. People go there, put there, we go get her. No. Mona go read our history. Una know say na true we dey talk. Anything we want to get, we get it. The only problem, the only thing that will solve all this problem, or conditionally, bail our leader out, release him. We will be seeing him. If na hotel jail, or if na DSS custody, go dey good place. At least if now 5 minute video, 2 minutes video, we'll see and we will see and hear. Why you will for them start will they judge the case? And be say we know they see. I been on our planner. Me want see us me because some people say, "Why you're the IPOB? You don't know anything." Me no even want know. Now na planner, una planner. You people should stop. Oh, yesterday na net. You understand? I don't want that girl. I don't want to put video for you. I don't want to talk to you whether na girl or boy. For your information, I know the 5 viewers. Okay? I work for my money. Not that if I want to use Facebook to look for viewers, I cannot. But I want freedom first. Freedom is what I want. I want our people to be free. If our people is free, I can decide to call them. I bet all of you now give me 5 euro or 50 euro. Yes, 50. Don't go give me. When we get freedom, we not dead the one na deal. The Fetogala say because we want to remove Oba, now make us join Biafra. Okay, Fetogala, come and see something for yourself. Our women are ready. Now we go remove Oba. You see, it go be like feel for your eye. We'll drive Oba around now. Oba recarnate. Oba Seki recarnate. Something is about to happen. Mark it to the register. We are going to drive Oba. Now you they drive Oba for us. You they crazy. Since when would they destroy the Oba now? What if Biafra don't do for us here? What if Biafra don't do? When I swear, what he don't do for what would they do? What he don't do? Now so we want fight for Obaseki for election. Hey, they know they interfere. Oh, they know they interfere. Hey, don't happy. No do this. Suppose it be saying na is there yamu de bana. You know how many of our people they for donkey? Do you know? Do you know how many of our people Oba for don't use is there yamu put for J? Key. Everybody make business so as we man our own so. Everybody face I they tell now. Face your territory. Yes. If you are from Delta, face Delta. If you are for Edo, face Edo. If you are for Imo, face Imo. If you are for Anambra, go and do your own. Don't come and be prognosing for everybody because not be social media won't give us referendum. They carry all the fair freedom. Carry and put for one place. Now say mo not talk, mo shut up. They go do presidency. They not go leave on. Nothing they happen. It go dead here. Not be Nigeria where we fuck on. It go dead here. Forget. Una no dey think, una no get shame. Baribe now, no they post now. Una no dey think. Our leader say Buhari daughter. Okay, now the dead Buhari go visit. One of the post now. He say come and negotiate with una the IPOB. Near Baribe no green. Una dey lato. Don't carry propaganda. You be straight all the time. If he be say now only in Baribe now we want vote for. Hey, make it clear. We vote for him. We support him. We will support him. We want 100% freedom, but if you people don't want it, was poor everywhere. Was poor everywhere. Was poor everywhere. Maybe say, Murphy, I support Murphy yesterday. We know they forbid goat way sort today. I want to go still be president. Nothing they happen. This one, if we go put am for there, we'll know say now we vote and put for there. He go do something. He go do something for us. He say he go even give us Biafra. My brothers and sisters, nobody go give you Biafra. Don't be stupid. Wake up and clean your hair. Where that juju way they do way be say they want use and kill our youth spirit. Wake up and reason. Wake up and reason and do the right thing. She say do you call you come and carry referendum. Na so easy. Without you know even riot, you not disturb, you know. So I know they dispute IPOB leadership law. But you guys said you want to cripple Nigeria economy. Nigeria is not the one crippling our young youth. Our people that is doing businesses, they are the one crippling the economy. Now the poor one they suffer. Now the poor one, more they tell ourselves the truth. Now the poor one not be me no pass. Now the innocent one they suffer. So that woman wey talk say, now viewers me they fan or Murphy they fan. Say we want get viewers. Go back 2017 or 2018. I don't get 1,000 viewers. I don't even get 2,000. But for this is where, you know, say our people, they don't like Biafra, not the truth. This is why they do this Biafra. I never even get reach 1,000. Now the truth at the top. I never get. If now viewers are they look for, go back to my video and see the Chris idiot. Now they talk anyhow, so we not talk again. Oh, I get one. So see, I did IPOB. I not be person wey be say this IPOB wey be say he go see wetin wan happen grow. He go keep quiet. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. If you call me a saboteur, a good, very, very big saboteur, now I be. I mean, they call myself saboteur now. All of you now, the friend saboteur, they go for social media. Hey, this one saboteur. You don't want saboteur. Do you want to tell me so all those people not be Biafra? If Biafra come. Do you want to tell me say they not be Biafra? Oh, no, no, think. Now, so I talk before 2018, I be 2019. I can't do video, me Asari and our leader settle. Onyibe come. Not be even Onyibe. Now, some people when they European, now they go they disturb Onyibe. Say, I don't have the right to say me they settle. May I go delete that video. They call they slow me. Delete it. My friend say, no, don't delete the video. Keep it. I wish I know say today go come. I forsake that video. I go delete that video. And the tip now, he can't pay me. The same Asari now Onyibe go meet. Now be master now today. You people should think. I see what you don't see. If you want to challenge me, you are free to challenge me. I don't give a fuck who you are. Even though it be my papa, I give a fuck. Okay? Now you know. The way to do your own, I know they slay your way. I know they. But I want to let that boy or that girl yesterday, now be two, know that. I not join IPOB, me I can't find viewer. I don't already they get viewer before I join IPOB. Okay? You get it to your score. Something they happen, something is about to spoil. Our leader have the upper hand before they arrest him. Nah. Everybody they go they see the dead body. You know they think, are you mad? You shut up, eh? Shut up, we know they play. We know what we are doing. And we are very straightforward people. Okay? I don't use viewer to get money. Viewer don't give me money for your information. Our people have been chatting. Build this your page. Build your page. Use it to be monetizing. Collect money. Maybe my spirit tell me say today go come. Now make me not do one. Not that if I want to do it, they want 1,000 people. I will give them my password. Help me to be doing it. I know many of you that is doing live video. You don't do it yourself. People are the one doing it for you. I know it. So, not call the Solomon well. Okay? Not call the Solomon well. Just stop her. Stop her! Stop her. So, saboteur. Now they cash they go. Saboteur now don't spoil everywhere. See only the Biafra now. Everybody. Enemy. Uche me for enemy. Uwazirike want go do presidency. You know they go Asara. This boy they what did they call him? What did they be name? Ijele. Una know they fight him. Do you know how many Igbo people that is fighting the Biafra? Do you know? Now let my own man. Now let our own they see. Now they Chris. Shut up, me shonu dear. Me shonu. We know what we they do, eh? Me shonu. Because if they talk say, hey, though we never let be Biafra, I mean even what? We not be if you our leader say we be Biafra, because if your mother title rapper, we be Biafra. If the ordinary people say we not be Biafra, no problem. We don't already discover something. Our forefather, which is the right down. Tag off our Auchi people. They don't already tell us. Imo State na our own. If you now want talk, now first state be na own. Now be Biafra. If you now want break katakata, we know how to break am. Imo State, now our people dead here. It just now dead here. There be do people. Even if you go Anambra State for Eri, you do Eri. Iweka. Now our people still dead here. So you see, say, you don't get anything where you keep fit and win us. You don't get. Don't let us spoil this unity. We'll spoil like go ram. And our people go love right. They will side us. They will join us fight. You don't know. Don't just let us to spoil this unity. Anambra State for Iweka, now we get her. Imo, now we still get her. Now our people they there. Go and ask. Go and open your history book because Yoruba whether na Nenemi Bonki, Ria Boki, ide London they write fake history. Now so Shekiri people, now so they come for Yoruba. People where they come me to come. No, make them not they talk about the Obas, the traditional ruler. We don't catch them for thief. The traditional ruler, they are from Futajalos, they are from Saudi. There are people that came to meet in that place. They are aboriginal people of the land. All of them, but both Obi of Olisha, now Oba brother. We know the eye they talk. Some of Obi of Agbo, now Oba brother. Obi of Oseluku Nadia brother. Oni of Ife Nadia senior brother. We the tell now as it is day. We know they fear them. Now the truth with the talk. The people where they there where they come meet. Who be that those people? Shakiri come from Yoruba. Now lie, they not come for any Yoruba. They are Idu people. Idu. If you don't guess it, where they put on for you, they be Idu. They be Idu people. And if you go, your own local government, now Idu that they call them. So we know what we are doing. Do just shut up. Okay? We are not begging you. We don't they beg. I tell you, I will spoil everywhere. You know understand we chase spoil now. We'll cross problem for every. I don't know what cause problem. We'll cause now. Well, they tell now something now say with the 5 viewer. Even though now 20 people they watch me, so what made their guesses? If the time come, they use and where. Not be say you come they tell me say Sophia Murphy because they are fine looking for viewer use their Biafra to get viewer. Shut up, you know guesses. How many times I don't tell you say I'm building my page? I bet you don't know say we they watch you now. Many people, even the time where our leader day, that they use our leader video till they build their page. Is it lie or truth? Wait, see, we not police for this Biafra. I don't understand. Now they use Biafra struggle, they find money. And now they use our build page. And then they use our 5 followers. We know they do it. We want real freedom. If you know what is real freedom, that's what they do. We want people everywhere. Freedom cannot come when there is peace. No, where there is trouble, where there is problem everywhere, they will not start negotiating. There will not be negotiation. They will not sit down on the table and say, okay, what do you want? We want referendum. We want to say where we belong. Now, freedom take come. And they here, now go keep our leader for one place. We will not talk. IPOB. Some of you want to tell me, say, Mazuna di Kanu go de Kenya. Nobody deal with her. You want to tell me that there is not somebody in Kenya when he was there? Now know what to na do. Wanna shut up. Wanna shut up. Now know what to na do. So we know as my brother they talk am. We know call the fear to tomo the fucking show. Now the truth. We do talk as it be. We'll talk. Okay, now we are not into who selling or not selling. We are telling you guys we want it to be out. Very simple. We want it to be out first. You come here, they say with the 5 viewer, Obaseki 2023. Now he not say you want to do it, but now we go put out here. Not be Abuja, Asoro. We will take Obaseki, come and rule us. If they not agree, we break up. We like do nation. For your information, for that girl or boy where they comment, where they follow me up and down. At the press up. At the thumbs up for Murphy because he was saying the right thing yesterday. If you don't know, may you know now. Yes. If na kurukere now they do for this freedom. Now the truth I they tell now. We are going to carry Obaseki to Aso Rock. Or we print banner. So now presidency, these people they look for okay. Most still can pay for our own. If they not agree, very simple. We go ask our neighboring state, state, yes, now state now. Okunova, which is Delta people. This one, Joy, which is Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Iguacha. Come, you want to follow a do nation or not? Maybe they will say no. They want to remain Nigeria. So we say yes. And we'll do referendum. We waka. Imo State too. Opuzojima will kill him. We don't know before we'll cut his neck. He go meet the ancestors. Then we'll tell our Imo people, yes, you people, you are our own. Come, let's fight. let's destroy this country, and we go. We'll still go Iweka. Anambra people, are you Idueri or not? You be Idueri. Come, we want to create our nation. Very simple. You did they make more, we make my say and everybody get joy. We not get joy. We don't feel that. We know say there is something wrong somewhere. There is something wrong somewhere. Dave Umahi. People there inside IPOB that they contact with Dave Umahi. People there inside IPOB they talk to Lala Mohammed. You say we will not talk. Do you come out? Indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, you have to follow the procedure. No procedure now. At the town now, no procedure. Our people in the house, fight for your right. And they tell you, it's only Nnamdi Kanu you can trust. Say, if not be only Nnamdi Kanu, don't trust anybody else. Now, they say she worry people where they arrest, come out for inside the prisons. They say they break Nnamdi Kanu leg. So our people keep quiet. May I not talk? They say they break your leg. How many of you they don't break your leg? Come here, come they make maths. Come. You know they pay me money for this social media. You know they pay me money. And I give a fuck. We know they get money. We know they build our page. We they talk to our people, rise up and do the right thing. Don't judge what they kill their morale, they kill their spirit. Listen, let me tell you, my people, there are something fishing somewhere. Yes. There are something fishing. They arrest our leader and begin fight for account. Both his brother and her, they begin to fight for account. Are we fighting for money and we are fighting for freedom? I come out and say, Nigerian government, let's share the money. They say, I don't know what they talk. Let's share it. Everybody go face your local government. They say, Sophia, you don't know what you are saying. You are Mugu. Which country have share money? They know they share now. When some people don't go meet Dave Umahi, they collect their own chair. Come here, come they talk rubbish. My math they run like weed, no problem. What did I tell you? Whether not Jeff, what did I tell you today? Go mark. I know say some of you now they check my video, they go. When I say me I delete them. Why are you sending me back the video I did before? Even the one I did where the new cashew Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you people sending it back to me to go and delete it? Because I know say what they talk not true. It's the truth I'm saying. That is why you're always going to my video, check it, sending it back to me to delete it. It's the truth. You people coming here to comment, Sophia, you are giving Mofi thumbs up. Okay, we they forbid salt, goat with salt, there be. More than no worry. Now we just start. It's just the beginning. I signed Mofi. Yes, I joined Mofi yesterday. I sat down. I know we enter the program, but when I come see the program, because I don't first see the post in the afternoon, so I can't join her. I even talk there. I dey support her. If you don't know me, I tell you. That make me tell you this morning. Say I dey support Mofi 100%. Okay, we want freedom, total one. So my mouth must run because you people don't like who is saying the truth. It's the truth. Anything I say is the truth. And some of you in IPOB, you will not talk when the thing is going on. When you know it, when the thing don't pass, water don't pass, Gary. When you come they talk, when all of now come full social media, come they full on yourself. Hey, it was a saboteur. It was not doing well. It was this. It was that. It was that. We know 1 year at that time. That time water don't pass, Gary. Try and learn for what I've gone wrong before. Thank you. Now so I talk and reach. Now bye bye.